In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working with documents from around the world or just prefer a different language interface, adjusting the language settings in Adobe Acrobat can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and explore how to make this change smoothly. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat. This might sound obvious, but it's always a good idea to ensure you're starting with the right application. Once Adobe Acrobat is up and running, look toward the top of your screen. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll head over to the Edit menu. For those of you on a Mac, you'll be looking for the Acrobat menu instead. The location of these menus varies slightly between operating systems, but they both serve the same purpose. Once you've found and clicked on the right menu, you'll need to select Preferences. This is your hub for customizing how Acrobat behaves and appears. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first glance. We're only focusing on language settings today. Now, in the Preferences window, notice there's a panel on the left side. Here, you'll see a variety of categories. Scroll through this list until you find Language and give it a click. This is where you'll be able to change the language settings for the application. Within the Language section, you'll find an option labeled Application Language. This is the setting that determines the language used throughout Adobe Acrobat. When you click on the drop-down menu next to Application Language, you'll see a list of available languages. Go ahead and select your preferred language from this list. It's important to choose carefully, as the entire interface will switch to this new language. After you've selected the language you want, the next step is to confirm your choice. Simply click OK to save your changes. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial to ensure your preferences are applied properly. Finally, to see the changes take effect, you'll need to restart Adobe Acrobat. Closing and reopening the application might add an extra minute or two to the process, but it's necessary for the language settings to update. Once you've reopened Acrobat, you should see everything displayed in your chosen language. And there you have it. Changing the language in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how you interact with your documents. Whether you're looking to improve your workflow or just make things a bit more comfortable, adjusting the language settings can really help. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other software tools.